by and large, tokenization and of real world assets especially is quite it's quite a nascent sector, not just even in Kenya. I think the world over, it's a segment that people are getting to terms with, but has elicited a bit of interest. So with such platforms, I believe the quite one of the benefits will be there are some investors, especially diaspora investors, who use tokens as a mode of diaspora remittances, or just to move money within different markets. These might will be one of the beneficiaries, because by tokenizing real world assets, you're enabling them to tap into this investment opportunity that they will not have otherwise have invested into, especially investors who are very keen on tokenized assets. So I'd say particularly the investors who are investing in tokenized assets, securities, but are not investing in the traditional capital markets, will tend to benefit more from this, because then this is something in their domain, something they can look at in next to the other array of investment opportunities that they have, and then they can they can decide to invest or not. But it's adding to their menu. Obviously, for Kenya, it's tapping into an investment class that would have otherwise not have invested. So it's in that way it's a win-win. Maybe on that I should mention that seeing as this is a growing field, Kenya, we are currently going through the stages of coming up with our own regulations for tokenized assets. It's going through our regulatory processes, meaning in Parliament and whatnot. And the bill is called the Virtual Assets Service Providers Bill. So a lot of this is still developing, which is why we are engaging also with Empowered to assess and interrogate this, because it's a nascent field. We are all getting to grips with it. The regulations are still coming on board. So we're also very keen, as much as we are contributing to the regulations, to see how it will pan out to be.